In the previous session, we have learnt about querying the hierarchical data. Right? Now, let's learn how to present the data in a hierarchical form. Okay? Like here, you see here, I am representing the data in a hierarchical form. Jeff is all the way to the top, and then he has Raj and Tom at the same level. Under Raj, we have Bob and Greg, and under Bob, we have Rahman and Sarah. Under Greg, we have Anil. And now, when we navigate to Tom, it is under John, we have James. Under Peter, we have Patel and Sonu. Just looking at this data, we know how the hierarchy is formed, right? To form this hierarchy, we use the concatenation functions. Okay, using the pseudo level column level, we left pad with spaces to form the hierarchy, and the remaining syntax is the same. We are using the connect by and how they are connecting, and start with manager is null. Okay, now let's go and create this hierarchy tree. Okay, so now let me take this out. Okay, so concat. Okay, so let me use lpad of so spaces comma, I'll use the pseudo column level into 3, and I'll just adjust it by -3 so that it displays in an appropriate way. Okay, close it, and lpad of what is it, first name. Okay, first name, and close it, and let me call this as hire first. Okay, and let me take this order by clause out, and let me run this. It's displayed. Okay, let me expand this. You see how neatly displayed. Jeff is top of the hierarchy. Raj and Tom are the next level. They are level 2. Okay, Bob, Greg. Okay, let me display the level also so that it's clear for you. Level. You see, Jeff is level 1, Raj and Tom are level 2, Bob, Greg, John and Peter are level 3, and Rahman, Sarah, Anil, James, Patel, Sonu are level 4. And you can also see who is reporting to whom. Okay, Anil is reporting to Greg, and Greg is reporting to Raj, and Raj is reporting to Jeff. In the same way, if you take Sonu, Sonu is reporting to Peter, Peter is reporting to Tom, and Tom is reporting to Jeff. See how we represented the data in a hierarchical form? It's pretty cool, right? Yes. In the next session, let's learn how to sort the data in the hierarchy. Okay?